Welcome back to LeonCo. Welcome to part 7 of 100 Dividend Challenge. So this week has been very interesting. We are recording this like always on Thursday after the market closes. And we post it before Friday, before market opens. And if you've seen how the market has been acting up these couple of days, we are still trying to figure out what exactly is the main reason why the market is acting. We have some ideas that what could be happening in the market right now. We believe that maybe this is the market is reacting to the stimulus talk, that the stimulus talks have been halting in some way, or maybe this is just one consolidation in the stock market. We are still in the midst of figuring out what exactly is happening, but we're still very optimistic about the market because we are still in the 30,000 mark that we're good. So on this week we invested in Disney. We bought one stock off of Disney. We bought it at 195, I believe, and the market closed today at 187. So we lost a bit of money there, but we still believe that this is because what's happening in the market per se. And we bought 5 stocks of our master income dividend, the HIPS ticker. So this is our portfolio up to date. We took a hit on Sundial because it went down up to 115. We're still experimenting. This is one of our experimental stocks for these couple of months. Maybe it peaked at 350 and we missed the peaking, but we're still optimistic depending on what happens with the cannabis economy during these couple of months, because this could be a big score if you just wait some time to see what happens. So this is our portfolio per se. We're still on track. And one thing that we want to share with you guys is that we want to share our dividends for the month of February. So February, we took a $3 intake from January. We are up to 24 with 23 cents. For the month of February, we received $9 from SPHD. We received $5.38 from HIPS. We received $6 from SDIV. We received 73 cents from Global Waters, and we received $2.68 from Shaw Communications. So we need to be a little more aggressive for the months of March, April, and May when it comes to adding dividends to our portfolio to reach that $50 mark up to June. We are still optimistic because we are just hitting that halfway at 24, 23. We believe that in March we will be hitting that $26, $27 mark for the month of March, being optimistic. But in April, we're supposed to receive dividends from General Motors, we believe. So that is a good dividend additional. We are still waiting to see if Disney is going to start to give up more dividends during these quarters, during the year. So that could be a very good dividend income that we would receive during the year. We're still not sure how are we going to adjust the dividend from Disney, because currently we have 86 shares of Disney. Last time it paid dividends, it was around 88 cents per share, so we would receive around $70, $75 quarterly. But we are going to try to divide that into the months of the quarter. We're not going to add them up to that specific month when we receive it, just because we want it to be fair. And if, for example, if Disney decides to give out dividends on June or July, being that $75 to the amount that we have on dividends, right now we would hit that $100 mark. but we want it to be something consistent, and we don't want it to be something quarterly. So we're going to divide those dividends into the months prior to the payment of that dividend. So you just wanted to give you one quick note of information on how are we going to handle if Disney decides to start paying out dividends during the year 2021. So this is our dividend update for the month of February. This is our stock update for the this week on March. Stay tuned for next week. We really hope that next week is a better week for the stock market, but we will give you a quick advice or a staple that we have here, and is that when the market is red, you buy. When the market is green, you sell. So keeping that in mind, this is a great opportunity for you to try and get those good prices on stocks that you've been waiting for. So go ahead, and if you have that extra cash, start investing on those stocks if they are red, because maybe we will not see these type of numbers or these type of prices in the future. So I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are staying healthy, and always remember to have that king mentality.